Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. And in today's video, I am going to show you how I use greenery to decorate my home for spring. You guys know I love decorating in black and white. You've heard me say that many times, and green is my accent color. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to put together some bouquets, some arrangement of flowers, and we are going to decorate for spring. So make sure you keep watching, hit the subscribe button, and let's get to it. So here I am working on the floral centerpiece for my dining table. I showed you these flowers in my Hobby Lobby shop with me. If you missed that video, I will leave that linked in the description box down below, as well as in the iCards above. But I showed you these really pretty florals, these lilies, and this greenery, which are ferns. Oh, so pretty. They are very high quality, very lifelike and realistic, and I absolutely love them. So I am putting together this arrangement for my dining room table. As you can see, I have all of the flowers that I have purchased recently. The little, I guess those are philodendrons. No, not philodendrons. Monstera. Those Monstera plants came from the IKEA store. I had those on my dining room table previously. I'm just going to leave them there because I do like how they look. They bring so much life to the table. Along with this floral arrangement, I think it's absolutely perfect. Alright, so I picked up this vase from the at-home store. I showed you guys this in the video the other day. It was $24.99, and I love the fluted details on it. I think it's oh so pretty. And I got these really pretty tulips online from Amazon. I absolutely love how these look, and I think they would look perfect in this vase. Very simple yet modern and elegant, and just like the name of my channel, I style my style, simple, modern, and elegant. And these tulips are just perfect for that. They look so realistic to me. Absolutely love these. I think this is perfect for spring, not too over the top, just something very simplistic. So I think these would look perfect styled on my coffee table upstairs. So let's go do that. So I want to add some greenery to this space and some florals. So I am going to use this vase that I got from CB2, or actually Crate and Barrel. And I haven't painted it black yet. I am still going to do that. I just haven't gotten around to it. So I am going to bend these stems and just gonna plop it down in here. And we're gonna spread these out to add a touch of spring here and or on this side of my living room. So this vase you saw in the video the other day, and I showed you these really pretty leaves that I've been on the hunt for a while now, and these came from Hobby Lobby. If you missed the video where I showed you all of the florals that I purchased at Hobby Lobby, I will leave that linked in the description box down below, so you can go check that out. But I wanted to just have a wow moment here, and I like the way the florals look here. I think it's very nice, very modern, elegant, and sophisticated. So I have this arrangement that I made that was on my dining room table, and I'm going to try to use it over here by my coffee, or not my coffee, my toaster. So I have this vase here, so I'm going to try to just slide it over here in the corner. Like so, to give this area a pop of spring. And I like the fluted glass and the brass over here. I think it brightens up the space, and I love it. Have this cypress plant here that I picked up from Lowe's on clearance, but winter's over, so we're going to take that out, and we're going to take this vase and this plant that looked like a succulent to me, and we're going to stick it down in here, maybe bend it a little bit more, because I want it to just kind of cascade. Oh, sorry about the ice dropping. Yeah, I want it to just like cascade over, like so. Yes, my ice machine is really loud. To give it a little pop of greenery over here in the corner of the kitchen. All right, so we're going to start here in the entryway. This plant came from Amazon. It stays here all year long. I don't take it out, it just lives here. I love the leaves on this. Very, very pretty. The planter came from the At Home store. I think it's just the perfect aesthetic for this space. And I'm trying not to show the lounge to you because that is going to be our next video. It is a clean and decorate the lounge with me, but this tree sits here in the lounge and I absolutely love it. Over here on my entryway table, I have added the really pretty like sage green branches that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. Absolutely love the detail on the leaves. So realistic. And I have paired it with the vase that I picked up from Home Goods. Absolutely love it. I love the fluted detail. And I think it looks perfect here in the entryway, along with my Tom Ford book, my black and white prints. These came from World Market. I absolutely love them. I think it's just the perfect aesthetic for my home. I love modern design. And I have paired it with these two lamps that I picked up from Home Goods. Now the lamps come with a square rectangular shade that's kind of sage green in color, but I didn't like that, so I have just switched out the lamp shades and made the lamps my own. That is a tip for you. When you buy lamps, if you don't like the lamp shades, you can always change them out. Save the ones they come with. You can add them back later or not, but I absolutely love the look of the lamps now that I changed out the lamp shades. I've paired with it the Tom Ford book, my organic vase that I picked up from CB2, and I think this area now is just perfect for spring. As I said, I am not going to change anything, so this will also be my transition into summer. So moving in to the living room, you guys saw that in my last video. I showed you the little pops of spring that I added here on my coffee table. I absolutely love it. The flowers came from Hobby Lobby. These really pretty flowers came from Amazon. You can find those linked in my Amazon store. It's in the description box below, so if you're interested, you can go check it out. But I just love the simple touch of greenery here in my living room. And then I decided to also add some greenery over here in this corner. So I have added this really pretty fern that came from Amazon. Again, it will be linked in my Amazon store. And this vase also came from the At Home store. Very, very pretty. I think it was like $14.99. I will leave it linked in the description box down below because now you can buy things online from the At Home store. Now, I do have a live plant over here in the corner. And so pretty. Live plants are very pretty to look at, but so difficult for me to keep alive. So I don't have a lot of them, but that's just one. And then if we go over here on this side of my living room, I have added those really pretty irises that I showed you in my Hobby Lobby floral shop with me and home decor haul or floral haul. These are so pretty. I just love them. So realistic, so elegant. And I have just put them in the Leanne Ford vase that I picked up on sale. And this area too is ready for spring and summer. I probably won't leave those there for summer, but they will live there for spring. Over here, I have a fiddle leaf fig that I picked up from the At Home store 2 or 3 years ago. It lives there as well. So I use plants, greenery as my pop of color. You guys know I decorate in black and white. So now moving over here, I showed this to you also in a video. This vase I picked up from West Elm. I just love the design. It's so modern to me. Really love the detail of that. And I have paired it with some greenery that again came from Hobby Lobby. I really love these little greenery balls. They remind me of those plants that were really popular from the old Pier 1. I wished I had picked those up, but I didn't. So I found these at Hobby Lobby, and I think they kind of give me the same look. And then over here I have this snake plant. It lives in this corner. It's where it gets the most natural light, and I absolutely love it. Don't mind the box. It's our Simply Safe that we have to install, but I just wanted to show you. I do have a couple of, actually 4 live plants. The other 2 are in the lounge. You'll see in the next video. So then to move to the table, I changed out the centerpiece that was over here and I added this one, and I think it is so pretty. Perfect for spring. Probably won't leave it for summer because I associate lilies with summer, so something else will come out for summer, but I absolutely love the way it looks now. I did leave pretty mercury glass candle holders. These came from Kirkland's at Christmas time, and I got them when they were on sale, but I absolutely love how the greenery is looking in my home for spring. And then we'll come over here to the kitchen. In the kitchen, I have left it really simple. I love artichokes, and I think they are perfect for spring and summer. So this will not change, and I will probably leave these really pretty philodendrons that I picked up from Magnolia online. I absolutely love them. I just love the color. It's so pretty and so lifelike and so natural. Just love it. And then I have it paired here on a tray, and I think it looks perfect here in the kitchen. Now over in this corner, I added the centerpiece that was previously on the table, and I think it just brightens up the area so much. Looks so good here. And then on this side, I just added this black vase with some simple greenery to dress up this area for spring. So that's it, guys. That is how I have used greenery to decorate my home for spring and to transition into summer. If you have enjoyed today's video and it has given you some inspiration, please give the video a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you are new here, my name is Sheryl. I love all things home decor. I love shopping on a dime, on a budget, and I try to make my home look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if that is something that you are into as well, I would so appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell and become a member of the family. So my next video will be my clean and decorate with me for the lounge. Again, guys, I think you're really gonna love it. I am so excited to get that room together for the spring and the summer holiday. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming content, and I will see you in the next one.